Shalom, shalom, guys, and God bless you. Today morning, I'm just a little bit heartbroken because of some information that the Lord downloaded to me about 4:30 this morning when I was still in bed. In fact, I was actually awake. Yeah, I was kind of awake, and God just began to speak to me about one of the orphanages that we plan to do to a visit. In fact, we had visited them in the past, and we're planning to do another visit to them. And I'm heartbroken because the words that the Lord brought to me, they were nothing nice. They were nothing near nice. In fact, the Lord began to explain to me that these people, these particular people who run the orphanage and own the orphanage, they are out for money. And what I saw, what the Lord showed me, it was really like the children were in no place, were not at their hearts, but the money. So it got me a little bit broken. Now, I just want to say that you who is out there who reaches out to people, maybe through organizations, through individuals, and all of that, listen, it's very important that you get to know and be sure about the genuineness of these people before you do that. Okay, even if it's through us, get to be sure about it before you do that. Why? Because the last time I spoke about this, that there is a reward that is unto those that partake in the things. For example, the things that we do, the good works that we do, there's a reward for it, and you're a partaker of it. It's the same way that if an organization is doing evil works, like you have organizations that are marred with things like sexual immorality, and they're doing nothing about it. It's part of their core, part of their structure, child trafficking, molesting women, and all of that. Okay, when you partake in all these things as a Christian, you know very well that is wrong, and you're going to be a partaker of the reward that the Lord has kept for such evil. Trust me, that is it. So you don't want to be part of that. And now, is it that we're going to stop attending to these kids in this particular orphanage? No, the kids need us. So I'm just praying and asking God for a tactic on how to change what we are doing. Why? Because these kids need us. We are not going there for the owners. So we're planning to give them some money so that they could be the ones to do whatever they might have wanted to do. But we're going to change that, and we're going to get just items, food items, clothes, and just that. That way it becomes much more difficult for them to maybe squander it, because what the Lord showed me, it was really terrible. Their focus was the money, was the money, was the money. They're doing it because they want the money. In fact, to the extent it's like they can literally put the children in harm's way just to make sure that they get money, and that's their focus. So I was so mesmerized by what the Lord was speaking to me and showing me at the same time. And so that is it, guys. It's the same thing with investing. Don't just invest into a cryptocurrency because somebody has said it, or no. Do some due diligence, pray about it, and get that confirmation in your spirit by yourself. One of the greatest assets in my life that I have in my life, particularly after receiving the Lord Jesus Christ into my life, which that's the greatest, there's no comparison to it, is God's voice in my life, because it gives you direction, it gives you orientation, it protects you from things which human knowledge is limited about, human understanding is limited about, and that is it. So it is important that you cultivate that habit to link to God, pray about it. Even if God is not speaking to you, at least God should align you into doing the right thing. That's going to be it, guys. God bless you, and I'll keep bringing up the updates on the things that we're doing. We're already doing lots of the purchases. We've done almost like 70% of what we're going to buy, and probably within this week I'm going to be completing the purchase of the food items and all of that. So God bless you, and thanks to all those who are actually participating in this. Bye bye.